severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Lafayette County in south central Wisconsin, south central Iowa County in south central Wisconsin, until 3:45 p.m. At 3:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Cuba City, or near Plaqueville, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mineral Point, Darlington, and Belmont. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is the